Hey everyone, Brian Smith, and I'm back for another Tuesday Tips. I think this is 2 weeks in a row. Like, it's only the second one, so whatever. Today, I want to talk a little bit about how I manage my open format music crate. So this is a quick one, but I think it's a really good way to do this. And believe it or not, I am still managing my music in iTunes. I do run everything through Platinum Notes and Mixed in Key. Every song that I get, I run it through those before it goes into my crates. And I do use Mixed in Key, not so much for the key, because I think the key detection on most softwares right now is pretty good. But I do like its energy ratings. And they're not 100% accurate. I'd say they're probably about 85% accurate. Sometimes it's like, no, this song is not a 4, this song is a 7. But anyways, energy ranges pretty much from 2 to 9. I don't think I've seen a 1, and I don't think I've seen anything come out as a 10. But I really like the way it works. And it's also a good way for me to organize my music because I can hit different energy vibes through the night, and I know where to get to that vibe, and I know what else is in those crates because it's the right energy. So I run my crates. I have a bunch of different ones. I have energy crates 4 through 8, and then I have my transition down, my transition up, my slam edits, and my intro edits. So let me take you over to the computer and show you what we got here. So this is the main open format crate. So 4, it doesn't really have a ton in it because there's not a whole lot that I'm going to DJ at in 4. 5 is, looks like we got 78 songs here. 6 and 7 is like where it's at for me. 6 has 250 songs. It's for a reason. 7 has 350 songs, also for a reason. And then 8 has 120 songs. I will probably max 8 out at 150 songs. So then, like I said, I have my transition downs, my intro edits, so stuff that is just, cold starts or has an actual intro, and then my slam edits, and then transitions up. So I don't have that organized the way the rest of the other crates are, but that's okay. So let me talk about why crate 6 and 7 specifically were capped at 250 and 350. It's important for us to be able to keep our music fresh. So the way I keep my music fresh is I have it's sorted by the time it was added to the crate, and it works its way down. Once something gets over that 250 or that 350 threshold, it's out of that crate. It doesn't matter what song it is. It doesn't matter if it's like a classic recurrent banger of a song. I pull it out because I want to keep my crates fresh and I want to keep my sound fresh. Now that doesn't mean that it's gone from those crates forever and that I'm never going to play it again. What I do is I pull it out and I put it into an open format retired playlist. And again, sorted the same way as the crates are, from newest to oldest. Every 3 months or so, I'm going to go through that crate and I'm going to pull some of those older tracks and see is this a track that I'm going to play again or that I want to put back into the crate? Or is this like a track that was hot, like Old Town Road, and now no one really wants to hear it anymore? Then it gets kicked to the curb. I don't delete it off my computer, it's still there, but it's just not in the regular rotation. So I think it's a cool way to keep your sound fresh and keep your tracks fresh. I'm trying to devise a new plan for how I'm going to do this with my wedding crates. But wedding crates are kind of timeless. There's stuff that people always want to hear, but I'm working on some new strategies for keeping those wedding crates, keeping them up to date and rotating through. So just a quick tip on a cool way that I organize some music crates. Hopefully you guys find this helpful. I think that talking about our crates is something that not a lot of DJs do, but everyone thinks that we should. But none of us actually really do talk about how we organize our music, and everyone organizes their music differently, but whatever. I know that I have learned from some great people, when we've really gotten down and started talking about crates and music organization and how we run our music. So this is how I run my open format crate. If you guys like this and you like to dive into what I'm doing with my wedding crate, even though it's very much a work in progress right now because I'm kind of blew it up and I'm starting it over, I'll do that video too. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and like every YouTuber says, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, me, especially give me a thumbs down if you use like Virtual DJ or Rekordbox. Sorry guys, it's okay. It's okay. You are still a DJ. I just think it's shitty software. Anyways, like, subscribe, all those things. Ring the bell. I hope you guys enjoy this. Catch you guys on the next one.